Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can approve the videos in YouTube Kids. Go ahead and click on any of your profile of your kids and then click on the privacy which is on the bottom corner. Now write down the calculation and then click on submit. What you need to do is go to settings and click on one of your kids. Now write down your password and press done. Now scroll down and click on edit settings. Now click on approve content and click select. Now you can tap on the plus button and add the channels individually, or you can go into it and approve the video by tapping into the channel. So clicking the plus button over here will approve the content for your children to watch, and they can only watch these contents as you have approved these only. So you can either select the video or the whole channel. Selecting the whole channel will result in all of the videos of the channel appearing for your kid to watch. So this is how you approve the videos in YouTube Kids. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.